Am I the only one who hate the funky smell and taste of papaya fruit but eat it because of its health benefits? Well, for those who don't know, papaya fruit is an incredibly healthy tropical fruit that is well known for its exceptional nutritional and medicational properties. Check out all of these unbelievable and proven papaya benefits. Papaya fruits has the power to improve digestions. The papain, which is the enzyme that is present in papaya, can make proteins way easier to digest. So, if you realize that you constantly have upset stomach or constantly belching food that you eat like an hour ago, then lovelies, it's time for you to grab a papaya. In addition to digestion, papaya fruit can also help prevent constipation as it is high in fiber and water content, both of which help to prevent constipation and promote regularity and a healthy digestive tract. Papaya fruit can protect against heart diseases. Papayas contain high levels of antioxidant vitamin A, C, and E, which prevent the oxidation of cholesterols. Diets that are high in antioxidants may reduce the risk of heart disease. If you didn't know, when cholesterol oxidizes, it's more likely to create a blockage that leads to heart diseases. Papayas can also reduce inflammations. Papaya produce papain and cymopapain, which may help acute pains like those from burns and bruises. Not only that, lovelies, but they can also help with chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis and asthma. Still not convinced that you should be eating papaya? Papaya fruits can help with irregular menstrual cycles. Papaya consumption can help with healthy uterine contraction and also promote a healthy menstrual cycle. The carotene present in papaya fruit can help stimulate the production of estrogen in the body, which can help with irregular periods. However, lovelies, if you are pregnant, it is said that papaya should be avoided during pregnancy as it can cause miscarriage. And we definitely don't want that for our young or our little lovelies. Papaya fruits also have the ability to boost your immune system. Papaya has a high level of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and allows the body to fight off bacterial and viral illnesses. Which is why, lovelies, I will always recommend it to be a part of your immune healthy diet. In addition to that, papaya is also a good source of vitamin A, which is another important vitamin for a healthy and a functional immune system. Papaya fruit can also protect against skin diseases. In addition, in keeping your body healthy, papaya can also help your skin to look more toned and youthful. So, if you have wrinkles, sagging, and other skin disease that occur with age, then papaya fruit is the way to go, as the vitamin C and lycopene in papaya protect your skin and may help reduce these signs of aging. Papaya can also help with bone health. Low intakes of vitamin K have been associated with a higher risk of bone fractures. However, lovelies, adequate vitamin K consumption is important for good health as it improves calcium absorption and may reduce urinary excretion of calcium, meaning there is more calcium in the body to strengthen and rebuild bones. And lovelies, you better believe that papaya consists of vitamin K. Papaya seeds, yes, papaya seeds, lovelies, can improve visions. Papaya seeds include a unique component called zeaxanthin that helps to improve the retina health of our eyes. So, if you are suffering from poor vision, then it's time for you to start eating papaya seeds. Papaya also has the ability to lower the risk of cancer. Papayas contain a natural pigment called lycopene, as mentioned earlier, that not only protect the skin but also give papayas their bright orange color and help to fight cancer and also reduce the risk of cancer. Lycopene has been linked to lower the risk of especially prostate cancer. Finally, lovelies, papayas also have beta-carotene, which is another antioxidant that has the ability to lower the risk of cancer. There are so many ways to incorporate papayas and papaya seed in your daily diet, but that is for another video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave your comments down below, and subscribe for more.